Responsive search ads simplify the creation and management of search ads to ensure that customers see ads that are customized to what they're searching for. Using the power of machine learning, responsive search ads mix the headlines and descriptions that you provide to automatically test different combinations and learn which perform best. You can turn to Optimization Score to either implement responsive search ads or improve existing ones. For this video, let's get started by selecting a search campaign and clicking the Ads and Extensions tab on the left. Click the blue plus button, select the responsive search ad option, and then choose an ad group. First, define your final URL. This is the page that the ad will direct customers to. You can also define a display URL. This is the URL that will appear when the ad shows. Now it's time to get creative and write your headlines and descriptions. The more headlines and descriptions that you provide, the more combinations machine learning can generate. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see the Ad Strength tool. You'll see one of the 5 different ad strength ratings when you work on your responsive search ad: no ads, poor, average, good, and excellent. Along with these ratings, you'll see action items in the following areas to help improve the effectiveness of your ads: diversity, quality, headlines, description, and keyword relevance. Make sure your ad reaches a good or excellent ad strength score. Use the ideas provided by the tool to boost your score. While some repetition is fine, the best way to improve your ad strength is to add as much unique content as possible. When assembling ads, the system tries to combine headlines and descriptions that offer new information. If you're already running expanded text ads, try including your top-performing assets in your responsive search ads. Keep in mind that headlines and descriptions may appear in any order, so ensure your assets can work together in any combination. For best results, follow these recommendations. Provide at least 5 distinct headlines. Don't use the same or similar phrases, since redundant assets will restrict the ability to generate ads. Create 8 to 10 headlines, and include a keyword in at least 2 of the headlines. Be sure to have at least another 3 headlines that do not include your keywords. Try highlighting additional benefits and features, a problem you're solving, or even highlight shipping and return information. Test out creating headlines of different lengths. Don't try to maximize the character count in every headline, since the machine learning model will test both short and long headlines. Lastly, add at least 2 distinct descriptions. Remember that responsive search ads can show up to 2 descriptions at one time. By default, all of your titles and descriptions can appear in any order. However, you can control where individual titles or descriptions appear in your ad by pinning headlines and descriptions to specific positions. For example, if you have a disclaimer or a special offer that needs to appear in every single combination, you can guarantee that by pinning the title. When editing or creating a responsive search ad, click the pin icon and decide the position you'd like to pin that headline or description to. If you pin multiple titles or descriptions to the same position, one of the assets will always appear. Pinning reduces the overall number of headlines or descriptions that can be matched to a potential customer's search, so it isn't recommended for most advertisers. If you need to pin, try pinning 2 or 3 headlines or descriptions to each position, so that any of them can show in that position. Now click Save to create your ad. For more step-by-step videos on Google Ads implementation and optimization, check out Google Ads tutorials. If you have any questions or for more information, please visit Google Ads Help.